on this Sunday, we are having a marathon in awareness of organ donation. So we are going to be, this is a first marathon that has got almost 950 participants. The biggest marathon which includes participants like doctors, nurses, medical students and people from social welfare. 950. And the, this theme here is to pledge for organs. So this is what we wanted to have.
When is it?
This Sunday. It starts from Shama Prasad and it has got three categories. One is 10 kilometers, for which I have how many registrations? 170 registration for 10 kilometer category. Then 5 kilometer category maximum, that is about 500, I think. 450, 500. And then we have 2 kilometers and 200. I have made all heads of department of Goa Medical College compulsory. They have to participate. No, for 2.5 kilometers, they have to walk at least. And some of them are very senior, so you can't make them go for 10 kilometers. GMC. Yeah, I will be completing.
Mass gathering.
Huh?
Mass gathering.
There's no mass gathering. We are not doing it inside. It is on the outside of the Shama Prasad. See, presently what is happening is our awareness is this Sunday. Time it will start at 6:30. The first race, that is 10 kilometers, will flag off at 6:15. Sorry. Huh? No, what we thought it is to create awareness first amongst the doctors only. Like so many doctors would act as transplant coordinators, no? And if they create awareness, then there will be a good kind of circumstances. Because if you see our country's statistics, the organ donation as compared to the world scale, we are only 0.8% incidence of organ donation. The highest is Spain, which is 41%, no? 46%. So in Spain, people, pledge their organs easily. We have a big list, and there is a big gap between the requirement and the availability of organs. Basically, in Goa, first let me tell you that in Goa we have now waiting list of 20 kidney transplants. Because Goa does only kidney transplants. We have put this list on a SOTO website. 20, yeah. We are doing live donor. But about we have done around 20 live donor transplants in Goa Medical College. But in live donor, the limitation is the donor also has to suffer. He also gets some morbidity. So if it is disease donor, the advantage is one side of the operation is already done. The retrieval is of a brain dead patient, and these kidneys can be used for the patients who are waiting for terminal kidney disease. So we have 20 patients are waiting for, and Dr. Preeti is our joint secretary. She will tell you what is the statistics in the country overall in India.
Just before that, one second, doctor. Now, how long, if it is a brain dead, how long can the kidney remain before it cannot be used?
See, brain dead process.
I'm talking about.
Yeah. We only certify brain death. So, brain death patient can be kept for donation of organs for about 12 hours. Only 12 hours. After that, you need to really struggle to keep blood flowing through those organs. So that's called as MODS, multiple organ failure. So what we do is, moment we know that there is a brain death, potential brain death, we do first apnea test. There is something called as apnea test, and within 6 hours we do second apnea test. But in those 6 hours, they are a golden period. So we try and prepare cross match, like his tissue and the donor recipient tissue. So this is done through HLA lab, which we have already started in Goa Medical College. So the time is very less, and the more you delay, that organ becomes more ineffective.
When do you expect to start this type of procedures in GMC?
We are already, we have everything. Cadaveric, we are already on, we have retrieval team, we have all kidney, but there is no awareness amongst the people, what we saw. Like even if there is a brainstem death and we approach the relative, it is like a very emotional issue there. Somebody's person is brain death and they are struggling to keep him alive, and you go and ask them for organs.
So you have not received disease donor as of now, though that you have all the setup ready for.
Disease donor we have approached once in the ICU, but then relatives refused.
So many accidents in Goa.
That's exactly, this marathon is in view of that. Create this awareness amongst the people, and we are signing an MOU with TPI from Spain, and based on that we will be having more and more transplant coordinators. Now these coordinators will have friendly conversation with the patients who are serious, who are in ICU, and then slowly convince them, sort of counselors.
How many people have pledged their organs
So
Right.
far 25 people.
in Goa?
Yeah, in Goa 25 people are pledged for their organ. We are giving them forms. We have one website which is open website, live website. Nobody is pledging through the website also. They need not come to office. They can just online pledge for the organ. So there is little bit misconceptions existing. Like when we started our eye bank, people who wanted to donate cornea, they said if you donate at this life, next life you are born as a blind person. So some misbeliefs are there. So these misbeliefs you have to take them away. So sometimes they will say if you donate kidney, next time you are born with one kidney. So this is kind of awareness that we have done posters. We are having tomorrow, day after tomorrow. We are also having ladies who are worked for the because it's a World International Day of Women's Day. So we are going to felicitate some of the nurses that day, so that it creates more and more encouragement for them to.
All the work is really coming up onto us. Dr. Tiwari is holding a program for awareness of kidney disease, hospital.
On an average, annually, how many brain death cases reported in GMC or not? I don't want exact number, but
If you ask, as he said also, there are a lot of young people having head injuries and accidents. So on an average in a month, if I am not wrong, at least 2-3 cases are potential brain deaths. Potential brain deaths, where they can, if they pledge for organs, we can really utilize these organs for patients who are suffering. So on an average in a year, you might get 30-35 cases easy. And nowadays we get what is called as high velocity accidents, and they are cannot be, we recently we had a death of one 15-year-old girl. She was driving a scooter very fast, rammed into some bike, this jeep, and she had a severe head injury. But for everybody today, their person is very dear and near. When they bring the patient to save his life to the hospital, and then you go and ask for organs, that is where the things we have to overcome. And that is the reason we want to create this awareness. And as per what we have, marathon expert Dr. Charan, he says this is one of the biggest marathon response he has got. So I feel this is our first step in creating awareness in the people of this state.